Hi, my name is Paul Garcia of the home. You started playing basketball.
I started college basketball when I was 17. So, rookie MVP. At the same time, finding my rope, how to dominate, and enjoying my college basketball career at the same time winning habits, championship habits, and winning awards. So very memorable college basketball career for me.
How's your rookie season in FedEx?
My rookie season is decent and very predictable. At the same time, enjoying while surrounded by veterans like veteran players like Meneses, Cordillera, and others, and learning. Uh, but the best season for me when I was in FedEx was my second year, my sophomore year, my second season. So I think that's the start of my uh, well, I consider great career.
How's experience playing in the TNT?
Oh, when I got traded to TNT, that was the best part of my PBA career. Uh, I have, I'm very excited and very thankful that TNT really pushed to get me. And on that very conference, we won the championship, and that's my first ever championship in the PBA with my brother.
Who was TNT teammate you learned the most?
I learned the most with my TNT teammate is Jimmy Alapag. I learned a lot, especially how to be a great leader. Because Jimmy is a born leader, and everybody listens. And after Jimmy, I learned a lot with Jason Castro. After Jimmy retired, um, Jason is really a big part of my TNT journey.
Who is best import teammate in the PBA?
If I will rank my top import, my best teammate, import teammate is Paul Harris, and next is Ivan Johnson. Um, Third is Sean Daniels. So, um, Paul Harris, the first ever import to win the championship with TNT.
How's experience playing in the national team?
Playing in the national team is priceless. I don't think any basketball opportunities will match playing for your country. And my experience with the national team is one of my greatest moment, and especially when we won in FIBA Asia, and playing in World Cup after how many decades. So I think playing in the national team is the best part of my basketball career.
Do you learn from Coach Trot?
I learned a lot from Coach Chot, especially on how to play basketball with how to be a catalyst, how to play with the team, how how can I help the team to look better, how can I help the coach to look better, to be their very best, and to be the result. uh, it will be a great team in the eyes of everybody.
Toughest opponent player in the FIBA?
FIBA, toughest opponent, individual is El Khatib, Fadeh El Khatib. He is the Michael Jordan of Asia. So the toughest team to play is Iran and Korea.
Why you choose jersey number 33?
Um, Number 33 is I choose number 33 because of my idol Scottie Pippen from Chicago Bulls, and I always look up to Michael Jordan when he was in national teams. Jersey is number 9. So my amateur career in school is number 9. Then when I turn into commercial teams, it's number 33.
Starting 5 all-time of your teammates.
Starting 5 of all time is in TNT. 1 is Jason Castro. 2 is Jimmy Alabang. 3 is Harvey Carey. 4 is Kelly Williams. It's hard, the last one. I'll go with Ali Pick.
Thank you for watching.